Good morning, class 3. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about the most important topic of our syllabus, map. You all know about map. Today we will learn about the neighboring countries of India, its metropolitan cities, water bodies and two major islands. But before filling the map, we will do the most important part, that is index making. On the top, we will write the heading index and then we will make 3 columns for each. The first, we will learn about the neighboring countries, and for its index, we will make 3 columns: serial number, neighboring country and pattern. You can take any pattern or color of your own choice, but you have to mention it on the index. First, let me tell you what are neighboring countries. You all know who are neighbors, and neighboring country means the countries that share their borders with India. The first neighboring country we will learn about is China. I have marked China with yellow color. It is to the north of India and is the world's most populous country. The next country is Pakistan, for which I have used green color. It is to the west of India and touches the border of all states of west side like Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Rajasthan. Students, these were outside the political borders of India. That's why it was easy to mark these two. But now you have to be careful while marking the next countries. Now coming to the third neighboring country, Nepal, and I have marked it using purple color. It is just above the border of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, but right below China. See, I have shown you, so I hope there will be no confusion. Coming to the next country, Bhutan, and I have shown it in brown color. Children, I am showing you the blank map side by side, so it will be easy for you to identify the places. The brown area right below China on the map is Bhutan. Now coming to the last two countries, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka, for which I have taken pink color, and I think it is the easiest one for you. You all can see on the southern part of the map there is a distinct part, and this separate area is Sri Lanka. Now the last neighboring country, which is Bangladesh in orange color. Children, here's a trick to identify Bangladesh. On the right side of the map, you can see a small area shaped just like India's map, and it is Bangladesh. Students, I hope all the neighboring countries are clear to you. The next thing we will learn about are 4 metropolitan cities in India. And for this also we will make index with 3 columns: serial number, metropolitan cities and pattern. Now let's begin. The first is the capital city of our country, Delhi, and I have marked it with its initial letter D. Children, as you can see here on the empty map, a small circle in between Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, it is Delhi. Children, it may seem a small point on the map, but it is a very vast city of our country. The next metropolitan city is Mumbai, which is known as financial capital of India, and I have marked it with its initial letter M. On the map, we mark it at the left corner of Maharashtra. Students, you have to be very particular while marking these metro cities, because if it is not marked on the exact place, you will lose your marks. Now let's come to the third city, Chennai, which I have marked with letter C, and it is located in the southern part of. Now coming to the last city, Kolkata, which is marked with the letter K on the map. It is just adjacent to Bangladesh. Children, it will be easy for you to learn these 3 metropolitan cities. These are located just at the border of the water bodies. I hope you all are finding learning about your country interesting. Now let's learn about the water bodies surrounding India. For these also we will make the same index with the 3 columns: serial number, water bodies and pattern. Now let's start with the first, Bay of Bengal. On the map you can see the southern part of India is surrounded by water bodies. The water body on the right hand side is the Bay of Bengal, and I have marked it with an asterisk. And on the opposite side, that is the western part of the country, is the Arabian Sea, which I have marked with hashtag. Now, the last water body which we will learn about is the Indian Ocean, which is named after our country, India, and I have marked a star to show it. Now coming to the 2 islands, and for this also you will make index. Children, you can see the small white patterns in the water bodies on the map. They represent islands. The first are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, which are located on the eastern part of India, and I have marked it with a square. Now, the second islands are the Lakshadweep Islands, and they are located to the west of India. Students, I have shown it with a triangle. These are very easy parts of the map. Children, with this we have come to the end of our class. I hope you all understood the map and also found it interesting. So keep practicing, students. Thank you.